Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix the issue of Ethernet doesn't have a valid IP configuration. So if you are facing this issue, Ethernet doesn't have a valid IP configuration and you are not able to connect to the internet, then there are four methods that you can try out to fix this issue. Let's look at the method number one. Just go to this internet icon in the taskbar, right click over it and just click on open network and internet settings option. Now in this window just click on this option, change adapter options. Now in this window just click on this adapter, Ethernet. Right click over it and just click on this option, properties. Click on yes, and now just click on this option, Internet Protocol version 4, and then click on this button, properties. Now make sure that the option obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically are selected. If they are not, then just select them both. And after this just click on the OK button. Click on the close button, and after this again click on this Ethernet adapter, right click over it, and this time click on the option disable. Click on yes and just wait for a few seconds, and again right click over it, and this time click on enable option. Click on yes, and now just check whether you are connected to the internet or not. So this was method number one. If method number one didn't work for you, then just try out method number two. Go to the search bar and just type control panel. Just click on the search result control panel. Now just make sure that the view by is large icons here, and after this just click on this option, power options. Then just click on this option, choose what the power button do, and then just click on this link, change settings that are currently unavailable. Click on yes. Now under shutdown settings just uncheck this option, turn off fast startup. After unchecking it just click on save changes button, then close this window and just power off your PC. After you have power off your PC, just switch off the router or the modem that you are using to connect to the internet. After that just wait for 1 minute and start the modem or the router along with the PC, and then check whether your issue is resolved or not. So this was method number two. If method number one and two didn't work for you, then just try out method number three. Go to the search bar and just type CMD. Now just right click over this search result command prompt and click on the option run as administrator. Click on yes. Now you have to execute some command, and you will find all these command in the description of the video below. So the first command that you have to type in is ipconfig /flush DNS and hit enter. Now just type the second command, netsh int space IP reset. After this just hit enter. Now just type the last command, netsh winsock reset, and hit enter. Now just type exit and hit enter. After this, just restart your system and then check whether your issue is resolved or not. If all the three methods didn't work for you, then just try out method number 4. Go to the search bar and type device manager. Yeah, just click on this search result device manager. Click on yes. Now just expand this device network adapters. Now click on this driver Realtek PCI GB family controller. Right click over it and click on the option update driver. Click on the first option, search automatically for updated driver software. So this will search online for the updated driver software. So Windows has successfully updated the driver. Now just close this and just check whether your issue is resolved or not. If still the issue is not resolved, then again go to this driver, just click on it, right click over it, and then just click on this option uninstall device. After uninstalling this device, just close this window and just restart your system, and it will automatically install the driver. You don't have to do anything. So these were the 4 methods that you can try out to fix the issue of Ethernet doesn't have a valid IP configuration. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.